Hello tubers and welcome to the Pistol Alignment Workshop. Now today we're going to do an experiment. I've been doing a bit of research because I've got an old fuel tank here that is heavily corroded on the inside. Not too much that it's actually rotten, but you know that all that where it's been sat, a lot of rust has accumulated over the years. So I've been reading what's the best way to get rid of this coverage, and I've looked into there's the vinegar option. You can fill it with nuts and bolts and keep kind of shaking it and it'll eventually knock it all off. Some people recommend molasses. Now I'm intrigued by this one, so this is the one I'm going to give a go here. I've got some molasses behind me. I've got this Cell fuel tank. This is actually off a 1960s Norton. Now I've started cleaning up the exterior to get all the old paint off. But before I go any further, I want to clean up inside. So hopefully you'll be able to see how bad it is in there. If I get in the right light. Now this tip is not only online, but also if those who enjoy Henry Cole's programs, is mate Alan Milliard recommended molasses and water. So it's 1 part molasses to 9 parts water. So I've already decanted my water in a bucket here. I'm going to make things easy, so I'm using 9 litres of water to a litre of molasses. So equal maths. That's about, I think it's about a 13 litre tank. So it's not going to brim it, but just for the sake of science and interest, I'm going to see what happens when I pour it in. So I'm going to get my, that's what I'm using, my molasses, which is basically it smells nice. It tastes bloody disgusting. So, got a spoon. I'll do it down here. It's a bit easier. Oh yeah, there it goes. Pretty runny stuff. I really don't know how this is going to turn out. This is probably the completely wrong way of doing it as well, but I will. This is a cooking ingredient. Makes very nice, rich cookies. I think you can add it into bread as well, into the dough. But the way it tastes, no wonder it removes rust. It's unpleasant by itself. Oh yeah, that's yeah. Water's definitely changed colour now. If you can't find molasses on the label, I think it's essentially dark treacle. I think that's what it's also known as. So that's 1 jar. More. Another jar. Oh, it stinks. Pour that in. Like so. Don't stop the spoon to the side. Like I said, I don't really know what to do, if this is the correct way, but we're going to find out. That's why we're experimenting. I don't know how the fucky's going to fare off this. Right, I'm going to give it a bit of a mix. I'll tell you what, I'll bring it up here. Look, there you go. Got quite a long spoon. Longest one I could find that'll fit inside the jar as well. Certainly gives the water a bit more resistance. Right. Let's see if this is going to work. I don't know the best way to do this. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a trial. I bet you thought I was going to pick that bucket up and try and do it all in one hit. Oh yeah, no, it's definitely painted the colour of water. What I should have told you as well is I have no idea of the history of this tank. I've cleaned it up and I can't see any holes, but now we're going to find out if it is actually sealed. Now water doesn't penetrate as well as petrol or paraffin, for instance, because it's actually thicker. It's a damn sight a lot thicker with molasses in it as well. Oh, this is easy. Try not to make a mess of the studio as well while I'm by myself. Being the only one here, I'd have to clean all the mess up, wouldn't I? So, try and look after the place. No signs of it coming out yet, that's good. Now this isn't a quick process. This is not something that happens instantly. Basically, this needs to stand for at least 10 days now. Well, at least 10 days. I'd say a week. It recommends a week to 2 weeks. So, what's it? This is a Sunday that I'm doing this. I think I'll leave it a week on the side and then see how it looks after. Oh yeah, now we're going down to the thick stuff. Still holding well. I wonder if I could try risk pouring the rest of it in straight from the bucket. Get some more paper ready. See what happens. So as much as I thought it mixed well, I've actually got quite a thick amount of molasses that's coming at the end that was on the bottom of the bucket. The good thing is it's quite thin, this product. See that? It's the dregs. Let's give it a hand, shall we? That's it. making a mess. Oh. That's a different product in the garage today. So, as I said, this isn't a quick process. It's going to take at least a week, so I'll leave it there. Top tip for this as well, not top tip, kind of a nice piece of added information, we'll say. This is an environmentally friendly way of doing this. So, as there's no chemicals, literally it's just a natural product mixed with some water. Can't get much better than that. I smell like a cake factory now, so I'm going to go scrub up. I'm going to get the remaining bits out of my bucket, put them in, and I'll see you in a week or two. So that'll follow straight on from this, so it'll be a nice comparison. I'll see you then. And we're back, tubers. Now this is Tuesday, so it's been 9 days since I first put this solution in. And we're going to drain it, see what happens. Simple as that. So I've got a trusty bucket here in very fetching orange. Tanks there, that's where it's stayed for the past week. So always prepare yourself for mess. And I think there's going to be a lot. I haven't looked in this, I've just let it simmer gently, fermenting, doing its own thing. Oh my good lord. I wasn't expecting that. I might have to bring you over for this. It literally does look like it's been brewing. It's got a quite a frothy head on it. Right, and you're back down. Cool. Oh dear. Oh, yep, it's heavy. Yes, I'm gonna do. Oh, it stinks. Yes, I'm gonna try and do this in one hit. Oh, no, reeks. Oh my god. Oh, it's not nice. Fucking hell. Look at the head on it. Oh, am I going to run out of bucket? Oh, sloshing. Oh, that's disgusting. It's still not empty. Oh, my handles. Shit. Oh, I'm going to put this outside. Bear with. Right. Need another container. I've still got some in there. I filled my bucket. Use this while it's here. Oh, it sounds like there's sweeties in the bottom. Ah, yep, that's the money shot. Can't really tell, to be honest, it's a bit dark. And I think I'm going to have to rinse this through as well. Right, let me do that and I'll try and get a decent shot of in the tank. Okay, I must admit now, after tidying up a little, it does look miles better in there. It's not like from the factory, but give it props, it worked. If you get it in the right light, and you can see down the sides, and it's definitely a lot cleaner. I don't know if that'll show up at all. Like, there's still some rust in there, but nothing compared to what it was. I'm really impressed. So, the question of, does molasses clean rust from a fuel tank, or well, any object probably if you soaked it long enough? Yes, it does. I'm yeah, really pleased. So this can be finished now, painted. This is going red. You might see this one, stages of the restoration, but try it at home. It stinks. It looks like a dark ale now. I wouldn't recommend drinking it. Although, like, there's probably someone out there who's silly enough to. The Piston Alignment Workshop does not recommend drinking after, because it is full of all the harmful things, and molasses tastes bloody disgusting by itself. So, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you. It's definitely helped me. Yeah, we'll see you again. Like and subscribe, tell your friends, and have a good day.